Hey guys, it's Shelly from ShellyFLEX Athletics. I wanted to show this really awesome new drill that we've been working on inside of the Flex Ed program to help you understand how to do your tuck handstand and your straddle handstand and your straight handstand, as well as learn how to press and understanding like the shift in the shoulder and the hips, as well as learning how to shift between different positions such as the tuck and the straddle and 7 and all kinds of different shapes. So what you're going to need is a chair, and you want a wall close by, and you'll need a towel, and you'll also want to set up a mirror. So that way you can look off to the side while you're in your handstand and actually see your form. So what you're gonna do, your chair is gonna be probably about like 2 feet, maybe even 3 feet away from the wall, and your hands are gonna be kind of like in the middle. You're going to take the towel and put it in between your thigh and your bottom rib. Notice I'm not putting it like in between my like collarbone or my chest. It's right at the bottom rib. You wanna maintain contact the whole time. That's why you want something relatively thin so that you can't cheat. Okay, so you're gonna put it there. Hands are gonna be on the floor, and what you can do is you can lift this leg straight up. Now notice I'm like kind of in a split position. So I'm gonna hinge my shoulders forward. This foot's gonna float off, and I'm gonna find the wall behind me. And I can just go ahead and bend this leg here. From here, I can bend the back leg, and notice how when I bend the back leg, I'm sending my hips backwards. So what you wanna try from here is to kind of shift the shoulders forward. Notice it gets really, really heavy here, and then push the shoulders open. This is gonna help you to understand the movement when you're doing a press handstand. Okay, so this is a great like strengthening exercise, because notice how the shoulders and the hips basically trade places. I'm not arching, I'm not gonna lose my napkin, I'm gonna hold it in here. Okay, from here, you can slowly start to take the second foot off the wall as you bring the knee down, okay? Coming back down, just bring the foot down. There you go. Okay, you can also try out your 7 position from here. So it's gonna be the same setup here. Okay, you can start with both legs bent if you'd like. Find the wall. I'm gonna straighten this leg straight up, take the foot off the wall, and notice how I'm gonna send my hips backwards as I bring the leg all the way down and bring it back up. Okay, so play around with those different shapes and send me your video so I can check it out and see how you did.